Mazingira Smart is a local Kenyan NGO responding to the critical call of climate change and other development through targeted tree planting. Across the diverse counties of Murang'a, Kajiado, and Laikipia, communities are rising to the challenge of climate change. These regions, though geographically distinct, share a common threat, that is environmental degradation and having to deal with the impact of climate change. The Linda Mazingira Wezesha Jamii project is a greening initiative which is empowering these communities to be at the forefront of change. Through this initiative, we are planting 100,000 trees, bringing back life to degraded lands, the fertile highlands of Murang'a to the dry plains of Kajiado and the vibrant hills of Laikipia. This project unites people with a shared goal of building sustainable future. In Kajiado, tree planting by Mazingira Smart Kenya is not just about the greening conservation. It is about survival. These trees will restore vital water catchments, providing clean water and shade to the communities that face drought throughout the year. In Murang'a, these trees will stabilize soils, protect agricultural lands, and increase resilience against floods and landslides, thereby contributing to Kenya's sustainable development goals on climate change. And in Laikipia, finally, agroforestry techniques will not only increase tree cover but also create sustainable livelihoods, enhancing food security, that is for local families. We have a plan for the project continuous commercialization throughout the year 2026. The project will be more than an environmental initiative, it will be a social enterprise. Communities who run these tree nurseries sell seedlings and produce products like timber and fruit from agroforestry, creating an ongoing income stream in a sustainable manner for the participating communities. Together, we are not just planting trees, we are planting hope, resilience, and a future for generations to come. Join us.